What is the spiral model in software development? Introduction. The spiral model is a software development process model that combines elements of both iterative development and waterfall models. It was first proposed by Barry Boehm in 1986 and has been widely used in the software industry. The key idea behind the spiral model is to develop a project in a series of incremental and iterative cycles, each of which is referred to as a spiral. The spiral model is characterized by the following key features: iterative and incremental. The development process is divided into a series of iterations, each of which results in a potentially shippable product increment. Each iteration goes through the same set of phases, such as planning, risk analysis, engineering, and evaluation. Risk management. One of the central aspects of the spiral model is its emphasis on risk management. Each iteration includes a risk assessment phase, where potential risks and issues are identified and analyzed. Risk mitigation strategies are developed, and the project's plan is adjusted accordingly. Flexibility. The spiral model is flexible and can accommodate changes in requirements or project scope, as it allows for multiple iterations. It is particularly well suited for projects where the requirements are not well understood or may evolve over time. Client involvement. The client or end users are typically involved throughout the development process. They provide feedback at the end of each iteration, which helps in refining the product and ensuring that it aligns with their needs. Documentation. Documentation is produced at each phase of the spiral model, helping to maintain a clear record of project activities and decisions. Phases. The typical spiral model consists of 4 main phases, which may be repeated in multiple cycles. These phases are: planning. In this phase, project objectives, requirements, constraints, and risks are identified and analyzed. The project is also divided into smaller segments. Risk analysis. Risk assessment is a crucial aspect of the spiral model. It involves identifying and analyzing potential risks associated with the project. These risks may include technical risks, schedule risks, and budget risks. Strategies for risk mitigation are also developed. Engineering. This is where actual development takes place. The project is divided into smaller segments, and each segment is developed and tested in an iterative manner. Evaluation. At the end of each cycle, the project is evaluated. This includes reviewing the progress, assessing the risks, and deciding whether to proceed to the next cycle. Multiple iterations. The number of iterations can vary depending on the project's complexity and the degree of risk involved. Some projects may go through only a few spirals, while others may have many. Benefits of the spiral model. The time box approach at every incremental phase reduces the overall threats in the software project, has robust documentation support, and functions well with bigger and more critical projects. Drawbacks of the spiral model. It is unsuitable and expensive for smaller projects. The method is difficult to use with legacy systems. Use cases of the spiral model. High-risk projects, complex systems development, projects with evolving requirements, exploratory projects, long-term projects, system modularization, enhancing app GUI, graphic user interface, app prototypes, design, wireframe, and clickable prototype. The spiral model allows for flexibility and change at each cycle. It acknowledges that requirements may change or become more refined as the project progresses, and it allows for adjustments accordingly. The emphasis on risk analysis and management is a significant strength of this model because it helps in identifying and mitigating issues early in the development process. The spiral model is a software development process model that is particularly well suited for projects with evolving requirements and a need for continuous risk management. It is a flexible approach that helps in managing the inherent uncertainties in software development. Show your support. If you like this video, please support my work by clicking the like button below and subscribing for more content. Engage and share your feedback. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and feel free to share this with your friends and office colleagues. Learn, grow, and collaborate together. Let's embark on this learning journey together. Grow our skills, collaborate, and share our knowledge. Check out my recent upload and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.